Is your Xumo Streambox remote app not working? Let's fix it. There are three primary reasons why your Xumo remote app might fail: pairing problems, permission issues, or network connectivity. First, ensure your Xumo Streambox and your phone are on the same Wi Fi network. For pairing, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and make sure the Xumo Streambox is discoverable. Sometimes resetting your Bluetooth and repairing helps this step. If pairing fails, restart both your Streambox and your phone. Next, check app permissions. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Xumo Streambox Permissions, and ensure location, storage, and microphone permissions are enabled. On iOS, go to Settings, Privacy, and enable the same permissions for the Xumo app. If you are still having issues, check your network connectivity. Ensure your Xumo Streambox has a stable internet connection. And finally, try restarting your home router. Check these common issues first to ensure you avoid bigger problems. If basic steps don't work, consider advanced troubleshooting. For network issues, ensure your router's firewall isn't blocking Xumo's ports, TCP and UDP 80 and 443. Try whitelisting the Xumo app and box in your VPN settings if you use one. Also, update your Xumo Streambox firmware to the latest version via the Settings menu. Look for updates to the Streambox OS, for example, version 3.1 released in March 2025. In the future, expect more AI-driven fixes in streaming remote apps. Keep an eye out for augmented reality features that enhance remote assistance. Updates will streamline pairing and enhance network compatibility. Stay informed about privacy settings for app permissions, as these are becoming more important. Be sure to keep your Xumo device and app up to date.